Are you an experienced professional looking to level up your leadership skills and tackle supply chain challenges head-on with an operations mindset? The MBA in Leadership and Supply Chain Management is laser-focused on logistics and leadership for real-world impact. Here, you won't just learn business, you'll shape the future of it. Unique to KLU, supply chain and logistics take center stage instead of sidelined like at other top business schools. Our real-world case studies, simulations, and interactive learning keep you engaged, applying new knowledge directly to work to think critically, solve problems, and lead effectively. It's specialized, hands-on, and exactly what you and your company need to drive measurable impact in your industry. Graduates of KLU's MBA in Leadership and Supply Chain Management step straight into high-impact roles like supply chain directors, operation managers, and strategy consultants. With our specialized operations mindset, you'll be the go-to leader who can future-proof processes, innovate sustainably, and drive transformative results. You'll be ready to shape global business from the inside out.